Right, here we have an Ei3016 smoke alarm by Aico. I got this from... let me process. So yeah, I got this from a flat refurb, and same thing with them previous ones. So yeah, this was manufactured in 2022 and it was thrown away. What kind of bullshit is this? I don't find as much older alarms anymore. Yeah. Massive test button. Here we have best for hallway, landing, living room and bedroom. Doesn't have the smart link module unfortunately, but anyways, let's put it on the base. Yeah, I do like how it has the flashing lights. And I will be doing an audio link test on it as well. So hopefully I'll be able to put that up on the end of the video. But anyways, let's turn the mains on. Green light. So yeah, let's test it. That's pretty loud. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.